So by now you've understood kneeling spinal waves and standing spinal waves and transitioning them into squatting spinal waves. So in this video, we're going to go through how do we combine all of these patterns in a practice. I'm going to take you through a real-time version, and if you are just beginning and you're just exploring the kneeling spinal waves, then just do the kneeling spinal waves the whole time. If the kneeling spinal waves, you've started to integrate them into your body, then you can start to integrate the standing to squatting patterns. I'll demonstrate both patterns, but find the level that's right for you. So we're going to work along, I've got my handy little timer here, and we're just going to go for 3 minutes, and I'm just going to guide you through an exploration into these patterns. So I'm going to set my timer and we're going to get going. So from here, let's begin with the caterpillar wave. So going up and down the spine. So all of the same principles apply. If you'd like more detail on this, go back to the caterpillar wave video and get these details. So I'm just going to show you how I recommend you practice. So just explore for 10 to 20 to 30 waves, just enough to start to relax into it, but not too much that you start to feel fatigued in the pattern. Learn and look to listen and discover something new about your body each and every time you practice. And then we'll go into the circular wave. Once again, explore a certain number one way, and then explore a certain number the other way. And add an extra set on the side that you feel there's more tension being held. Connect your whole body to work together. Once you start to explore them, we'll then go up. Just go as deep as you feel comfortable with. As you are able to work without more tension being created. If your legs are getting tired when you're working down here and you're building up a lot of tension in this area, then it's not necessarily going to be useful for your practice. So just find that range where there's a sense of ease in it. Hips pull us down and then drive through the ground and move up. Move from left to right. And right to left. So you heard the timer bing. So that was just an example of a 3-minute set. What I'd recommend is you explore it for, at the beginning, maybe 3 to 5 minutes. In time, you can expand this exploration of spinal waves. In really 15 minutes and beyond, you can really get lost into it. To get an optimal effect in the beginning, 3 minutes is a good place to start. You don't want to overdo it, but listen to your body. As you can do it consistently, what you might find is 5 minutes will be a good stage to start to allow your body to fully relax into it, and then 5 to 10 minutes you really start to go deeper and deeper if you're looking for more advanced development. So now all that's left to do is for you to keep practicing, exploring and feeling your spine and releasing tension from the vertebra so that your whole spine can work as one piece, not just a few vertebrae pulling all of the load, and then connect it with your whole body. So be well, practice well.